Hey guys, welcome back inside some more Scratch. And today we are going to download Scratch. And since if your network is very down and it's not powerful, so I'm going to show you guys how to download. At first, you have to go to your desktop and then open whatever browser you have, and then you just type scratch.mit.edu. And since we have to just relax and let's get on. So you have to wait until download. Until then, let's just discuss. As again, if you don't have powerful internet like this internet that hangs so much times, you can do Scratch offline. Yeah, but first you need the internet to download. Everyone knows that. And since when you are in the Scratch website, you can just log in into your account. If you don't have an account, just follow my last video. As you see, the vertifying was really hard, hanging, and that was like that. Yeah. But now we have to go all the way down. You may think, what is that? But actually, we are not going to discuss about that yet. Just go all the way down and into the support section. You can choose whatever language you speak. I speak English, so I'll choose English. So go to the support and click download. After clicking download, it will say scratch.mit.edu/download. This is the link to the official download. I'll put it in the link in the descriptions below. And also, I'm not including PO box since we live in apartments. Yeah. That's all the rules. So now let's try to underestimate. I don't know what I'm talking about. Download the Scratch app. Would you like to create and save Scratch products without an internet connection? Download the free Scratch app. So this is good if you are teachers. Like you want internet for something else. It's good. You can go here, download, and like that. So requirements: Windows 10 Plus, Mac OS X 10.13, Chrome OS new update, Android 6.0 also new update. So you can choose your operating system: Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Android. So now it auto detects. I have Windows, so it auto detects. So it says install the Scratch app for Windows. 1. Get the Scratch app on the Microsoft Store or direct download. This will download Scratch 3.0, the latest version. 2. Run the exe file. That's it. Now if you scroll down older versions you may think Scratch only has one version, but no, it has total I don't know. I'm going to tell you all the versions. Scratch has Scratch 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. And that was the end of the 1 series. And then Scratch 2.0 Alpha, and then Beta, and then 2.0, and then 3.0 GUI, and then 3.0. You may think that's a lot of versions, but they're just the real versions that they upgraded to each year. So older version, looking for a version of Scratch? Here. So FAQs, we will talk about them soon. So go up, and now I'm going to show you. If you click, now I will just try to click it. Just click. It is 112 MB. That's a lot. And since, let's close it and talk about the rest. Now, I'm just going to see. Wait a minute. Now, since guys, why I'm canceling? Because I already have one. So that's it. Now I'm going to install the Scratch app for Mac OS. Get the Scratch app on the Mac Apple Store. Now open the DMG file, move Scratch to desktop to application. This is for Mac users, not for Windows or any other operating systems. Now Chrome OS. Install the Scratch app for Chrome OS. Get the Scratch app on the Google Play Store. Now since you can get this on the Google Play Store, actually can get Android too. And since guys, I am going to just show you. You can also do Android here, and now I'm going to show how to open. After downloading the Scratch app, just click in there. And now it may take a while in our computer because it's like that. So after you have done downloading, you can only that time use it. And in the next video, I'm going to show the toolbars and the drumroll please, coding gap. Since you know coding is more important in Scratch than anything else. Well, not anything else. The Scratch website needs to be there than that. Ooh, I am so funny. Yeah, literally. Now it's open right here. And since this is how it looks. This is when you click create. If your net is working fine, you can use it online. If your net is slow and sometimes catchy, you can use the offline version. But anyways, let's read the FAQs. Let's choose back to Windows. That's comfortable. Now older versions. This may be available for Windows and Mac, not for Chrome OS or Android. So in Android, they might be different. And Chrome OS also. So now let's talk about the FAQs. Do I have to download an app to use Scratch? The answer is no. You can use the Scratch project editor on any web browser on any device by going to scratch.mit2. scratch.edu and clicking create. No, you cannot just use an app to use Scratch. That might be very catchy and different. So yeah. Second, how do I connect Scratch app to hardware devices? Now I'm going to show you about hardware devices in the videos where we learn so much about coding and something like that. So I'm not going to tell you about hardware devices yet. So you need to install and run Scratch Link in order to connect to hardware devices. When you're using Scratch app for Windows, you also need the internet connection to use Scratch Link. So I don't have any hardware devices yet. And when I do have, I will turn on the internet and use Scratch Link and tell you about it. So next, can I share to the online community from the Scratch app for Windows? Sharing directly to the online community from the Scratch app for Windows is not currently supported. For now, you can export from the Scratch app and then log into the Scratch website and upload and share your project there. Can I use an app? Can I use the app and also have the Scratch open in the browser? Yep. Can I install Scratch on my Android phone? This is all for your Android watchers. No, the current version of Scratch for Android only works on tablets. If you have a smartphone like a Samsung, LG, or whatever, you cannot use it on your Android phone. You can only use it on tablet. How to update the Scratch app? To update the Scratch for Windows from this page, download the latest version and install. To check which version you have, click the Scratch logo in the downloaded app. When will you have Scratch app available for Linux? The Scratch app is not currently supported on Linux. This may be used in 3.0 and 2.0. 2.0 they discontinued for Linux, but now they use Linux in Debian and Ubuntu in version of like 12 and like this. I'm going to tell you about that later. The Scratch app is currently not supported for Linux. We know we are working with partners and open source community to determine if there's a way we can support Linux in the future. Stay tuned. Now, everyone has been stay tuned, and now they're not promising and they add Chrome OS and Android. Wow. It's for you lazy guys. So guys, I'm going to tell you about the rest of the FAQs in the next video. Instead, hope you guys like this video. Hope you did smash the like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.